Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. This video I will show you how to use your own RF wireless remote to control the H32B relay controller, and also you can control any KinCony relay controller. Like this, I can turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1 by this wireless remote. This is sonoff. This is sonoff wireless remote. So we can see this remote. And this is 433 megahertz, and we can see, open the box, there is a battery, and we can close it. And I just take example for the sonoff remote switch, and also you can use your own RF remote, because now we can use this A4 board. It has the wireless receive module. This I have used the 433 megahertz, so I can also use this 433 megahertz. If you use this 315 megahertz, so you can choose any 315 megahertz remote, just like on and off. So now I will tell you how to use your own remote. The first step, you need to know every key, the date of the button. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but we need to decode. We need to know the date of the remote. So also you can need to know the date of your own remote. And when we decode the remote date, and we can use this A4 board, send the command to by the Ethernet or by Wi-Fi to this relay controller, so that this board cannot need to connect with the cable with this relay controller. And also you can use this RS433 cable connect with the relay controller and the F board, so that will not need to use the Wi-Fi for work. At first, I will tell you how to use the Wi-Fi so that you not need to connect these two parts with a LAN. The first step, we can use Arduino code. We can decode the 433 megahertz button date. We can just upload to our A4 board the ESP32 module. And when you decode the date, we will record at this notepad, and we can use this another program. We can let this program do for our turn on and turn off the relay. I'm waiting for updates. Okay, now downloading. Okay, complete. Then we can click the toy, the server monitor, because we will feedback the information from this window. So now I can use this sonoff switch. Like I can press the button 1. You can see I have decoded the command on Arduino. This is the code of button 1. We can copy this code, and we can record on this notepad. K1 is this code, K2, K3, K4, K5, K8, K7, K8. Okay. Now I will press this button 2. You can see I press. Okay, you can see this is the code. Copy. And this is button 3. This code. And the button 4. I can go on button 5, button 6, 7. Okay, I have the code. I just copy this code. Because sometimes I have pressed for a long time, so the code is repeat. You just copy one code is okay. Okay, this is the 8-button code. Now we just open this file. This file, if you want, we can send to you. This is for the controller. The A4 board will connect the TCP server and send a command to this controller. So you can see this is for network connection, and this is for send command. So what you need to change. This is your Wi-Fi SSID, and this is the load password, and this is the host is 32-bit relay controller, and this is the port. So now you can see this is the relay controller for the network setting. If you use Ethernet to connect to our cloud server for KinCony smart home application for remote control by internet, and this Wi-Fi you can let it work as TCP server module, just like this, because this will receive the command from our A4 board. So this is IP, Wi-Fi IP, and this also I need to know the port. This is a port. This is Wi-Fi IP. This part, how to see? You need to open your Wi-Fi IP in the browser, this IP, and click the other setting. This is the main window. You need to click the other settings. Then you can see your Wi-Fi work mode is TCP server, and the port is 5555. Also, you can change the port, just up to you. So this time we set the port is 5555, and go on. And this is the decode. Decode is 19. This pin is the ESP32 for the wireless remote pin. And now begin Wi-Fi connection to your router. And if Wi-Fi connection successfully will print, the server will print the Wi-Fi IP. And go on. And at this loop function, you will see this is the key of the button, the data of the button. You can see K1, K2, K3, K4, K7, K5, K6, K7, K8. So you just need to change the date. Like K1 is this one I have changed, and K2 is this one I have changed. So you can see when the K1 is pressed, this is send the command by network. This is turn on relay 1. This is a protocol command you can see from our website. You can see the knowledge and the SDK API. This is controller protocol, how to turn on relay 1. So you can see many commands you can be used. So if you want to turn on relay 1, you just send this command. If you want to just turn on relay 2, you just send this command. And also you can change this stream for any command you want, like all on and all off, or sound relay on and sound relay off by one command. You just change this line. And this is client printf sent by the network. And also I have used this command. This command is set the server port. So if you not have the Wi-Fi no load, you can also use this cable, this RS433 cable. If you connect with this port and this port, so these two boards will work directly and not need to use the Wi-Fi. You can also disable this command. If you want to you can enable this command and not disabled. So it will be send the command by network and send the command by the RS433 at the same time. So you can see this is K1 date, K2 date, and K3 I have not changed. So you can copy this for K3. This is K3. And also you can change this K4. This code you just learning from your own remote. This is K5. And this is 6, K6, and this is 7. And this is the last one, 8. Okay, so we can set the date for every button. We just K1 turn on relay 1, K2 turn off relay 1, and K3 turn on relay 2, and K4 turn off relay 2. Okay, we can save and upload. Okay, now downloading complete. Now we can open this server monitor, and I can press the reset button, this A4 button for reset. Now you will see this Wi-Fi connected IP address. This is for A4 baud IP address, because this command, just this one, and this is print IP address, so it's connected successfully. So I can use this remote like this: button 1, turn on relay 1, and button 2, turn off relay 1, and turn on relay 2, and turn off relay 2, and turn on relay 3, and turn off relay 3, and turn on relay 4, and turn off relay 4. Okay, this is very easy. Just decode and set the date for your command. If you want to turn on all relay, for example, we just want, if you want to let the K1 is turn on all relay and K2 is turn off all relay, so you just see the command protocol. This is turn on all relay and turn off all relay. So we can copy this command, just copy and paste on this command. Paste, and this also can paste, and turn off. This is this one, and copy and paste. Paste. Okay, we can save and download. Okay, we can see the command. You can see the IP. So that's connected successfully. Now I can press the K1. This is turn on all relays. Now I can press the K2 is turn off all relays. So I can press this is independent relay 2 and off relay 2. And you can also use this remote, or you can also use like this the sensor. So you can use this way, use the remote, or use the sensor, or many sensors, just RF frequency sensor. So you can let your relay controller become automatically. Okay, thanks for watching.